Hello, welcome to the graph question today. Chapter graphs. The question is very interesting. Find the pattern and complete the given table. The given table is this. We have to see the pattern and we have to complete the table. Draw the graph. Then after filling up the table, we have to draw the graph and find out what the general equation for the graph is. Okay. First of all, let us work out to complete the table. You see, x coordinates are given -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. X coordinate only -2 plus 1, -1. -1 plus 1, 0. 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. Now let us see the relationship means y coordinate. -5 plus 3 gives you -2. -2 plus 3 gives you 1. So 1 plus 3 will be 4. 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 plus 3 is 10. Okay. So we have completed the pattern. Fill the pattern and complete the given table. Find the pattern and complete the given table. That we have done. Now draw the graph. We have to draw the graph. Already graph paper is ready. These lines are not taken, but x-axis and y-axis I have shown here. We have to draw the graph by plotting these points. X coordinate -2, y coordinate -5. So these all points, coordinates of one point is -2, -5, then -1, -2, 0, 1, 1, 4, 2, 7, 3, 10. So we can see x coordinate left side -2 only, right side 3, not many are required. But y coordinate -5 means below x-axis -5 and +10. So let us mark first. 1 cm equal to 1 unit we can take here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7. -1, -2, -3, -4, 5, -6, -7, -8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. I have marked. Let us plot these points. And before that, let us take the scale. In both axes, let us take the scale. In both axes, let us take 1 cm equal to 1 unit. I hope graph paper may have 15 cm square, so their length 15. So 10 this side and 5. So 1 cm equal to 1 unit we can take easily. -2, -5. X coordinate -2, y coordinate -5. You know that I won't be able to do exactly, but roughly I can explain you. -1, -2, -1, -2. I have written here already. Minus is showing here. 0, 1, 0, 1, this point. 1, 4, 1, 4, more or less here. 2, 7, 2, 7, okay. 3, 10, 3, 10. And let us draw the graph. That is, we have to join the points. This one is 4, 1, 4. 1, 4, we can read it inside, you see. 1 is here, okay. Okay. Scale is not I am also able to do exactly, okay. So draw the graph. Already I have drawn the graph. Now the question is, find out what the general equation for the graph is. So we can write here, when plot the points, you can write also here -2, -5. This is -1, -2. It is good to write like this. This is 0, 1. This is 1, 4. This one is 2, 7. And this is 3, 10. We have marked the points and we have joined the points, all the points, and we got the graph. Now we have to frame the equation. related to x and y. What general equation for the graph is? You see children, this one little we have to think. Y is minus 5. Y is minus 5 equal to x given minus 2. If we do minus 3, we are getting minus 2 minus 3 minus 5. That means y equal to x minus 3. If you do, this first point satisfying. Let us see whether second point is satisfying or not. Second point, y is minus 2, x is minus 1, minus 3. Minus 1 minus 3 is minus 4. That means y equal to x minus 3 is not satisfying. Then let us see minus 5 again. In what way we will get minus 5? For minus 2, if you do 2 into minus 2, we are getting minus 4 and minus 1. Minus 4 minus 1 will be minus 4. That means y equal to 2x minus 1. If we do this point, the coordinates of first minus 2 minus 5 satisfies. Let us see whether this point satisfies or not. 2 minus 1, okay, minus 2 minus 1. Minus 2 minus 1 will be minus 3. But here y coordinate is minus 2. So it's not equal. So y cannot be equal to 2x minus 1 also. Now let us see, in order to get minus 5, let us multiply by 3, then it will be 1. So 3 into minus 2 minus 6 plus 1. Minus 6 plus 1 is minus 5. So whether all these points satisfy or not, we'll see. Here that means y equal to 3x plus 1. So for second point, let us say 3 into minus 1 plus 1. Minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2. Yes, y equal to minus 2. Same way we'll see this. X equal to 0. 3 0 the 0 plus 1, 1 yes. Same way for the fourth point. 3 1 the 3 plus 1 is 4 yes. Second next point, 3 2 the 6 plus 1 is 7. Then if x is 3, 3 3s are 9 plus 1 is 10. Yes. So the equation, the general equation for the graph is, like trial and error method you have to do. The general equation for the graph is y is equal to 3x plus 1. This equation, all these points satisfy this equation. That's why the general equation for the graph is y is equal to 3x plus 1. I hope this is clear to you. Okay? Thank you.